Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome, marketed as an inexpensive recreational vehicle (RV), is perfect for travelers seeking a useful campervan without breaking the bank. It boasts a clever interior design, is easy to use, and uses less fuel. Important traits: external design, streamlined, aerodynamic design for increased fuel economy, compact size, easy parking, and streetwise handling. Cozy interior, a cozy sleeping space with soft lighting. The kitchen is fully furnished with a convection microwave, smart refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and induction hob. Both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are compatible with this touchscreen infotainment system, a clever and useful storage area. Performance and efficiency, both hybrid and diesel engine options are available. Strong and pleasurable road handling, suspension that has been adjusted to strike a compromise between durability and comfort. Safety features include things like lane keeping assistance, traction control, ABS, and a rear camera. Lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and, on certain models, automated emergency braking are further safety features. Off-grid potential, users can camp in remote areas thanks to the optional solar panels that have the potential to produce electricity. Longer travels without regular refills are made possible by the large water tank and effective waste disposal system. Smart lighting that can be adjusted to your preferences or mood is an example of modern technology. An electronic screen that shows detailed car and trip information. USB ports for electrical device charging and Wi-Fi connectivity. Extra features: the side awnings can be extended to create more outdoor living space. To store extra stuff, use a roof rack or bike rack. Effective air heating and cooling for a comfortable environment in any climate. Users can alter the interior to suit their needs because it is convertible.